Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in voice assistant series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started.
Awesome. We wrote a program to send emails successfully. Now we will begin using APIs in our program. The first API we are going to use is called the OpenWeather Map API. This API can be used to know temperature, humidity, and weather description of any city in the world. For this, we will need two modules. The first module is called requests. Requests are used for making get and post requests. To install this module, type pip install request in your terminal window. The second module we will be using is called the JSON module. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data interchange format inspired by JavaScript object literal syntax. So import these two modules here. Import requests and import JSON. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to https://openweathermap.org and here click on API. Now click on subscribe and then fill the information. Now when you click on create an account, it will ask you where will you use this API. So just fill this. So here click on API keys. So you can see we already have our API key. So this is the key we will be using to communicate with OpenWeatherMap API. So go ahead and copy this. Back to our program, write an elif statement. So elif weather in text. Now let's define a variable to store our key. So key equals. Enter your OpenWeatherMap key here. Now go to this page and click on Get Started. Now click on API documentation and then current weather for any geolocation. So here in API call, copy the first call. Back to our program, let's define a variable to store the URL. So weather underscore URL equals. And now inside the quotations, paste the API call. Now just to make it clear and understandable, delete everything that is after the question mark. Now at the beginning of the API call, add http://. So now we need to get the city from our text. So let's first convert our string to a list. So ind equals text.split.index and inside the parentheses add quotations and in between the quotations type in. Now we only need the city name. So we want everything after the word in. For example, assistant, what is the weather in New York? So we only want New York. So location equals text.split and inside the square brackets ind plus 1 colon. Now we get New York in the form of a list. So to convert a string, we need to use the join method. So location equals add quotations dot join and inside the parenthesis location. Now let's complete the URL. So URL equals weather underscore URL plus inside the quotations app ID equals. Now again add a plus. Now type E. Again add a plus. Add quotations. Ampersand. Q equals. Add a plus and type location. In the next line type js equals request dot get inside the parenthesis URL dot json followed by parenthesis. Now let's write an if statement. So if js inside the square bracket add quotations and type cod. Now add an exclamation mark and add an equal to, which means not equal to. Add quotations and type 404. Now go back to the documentation. Scroll down to weather parameters in API response. Here you can see the parameters that we can use. In this case, we want to get the temperature. So here in main, we see the parameter is main.temp. So let's define a variable called weather in our program. So weather equals js and inside the square brackets add quotations and type main. Now don't worry about the code we are writing here. You don't need to know everything. Just try to understand what the code does. So we want main.temp. So in the next line, temperature equals weather and inside the square brackets add quotations and type temp. Now we have the temperature. Now if you go back here and see, the default temperature is in Kelvin. So we need to convert it into Celsius. The easiest way is to subtract it by 273.15. So temperature equals temperature minus 273.15. Now back here, we need the humidity. The parameter is main.humidity. So humidity equals weather at square brackets, now at quotations, and in between the quotations type humidity. Now we need the weather description like cloudy, windy, etc. So here in weather, you can see the parameter is weather.description. Back to our program, let's define a variable called disk. So disk equals js at square brackets, and inside the square brackets are quotations. Now in between the quotations type weather. Again add square brackets and type 0. Again add square brackets. Now add quotations and type description. So now let's define a variable called weather underscore response. Weather underscore response equals, add quotations, the temperature in Celsius is. Now add a plus sign, string of temperature, again add a plus sign. Now add quotations and type the humidity is. Add a plus sign and type string of humidity. Now add a plus sign. Now add quotations and type, and the weather description is. Again add a plus sign and type string of disk. In the next line, speak equals speak plus weather underscore response. Now let's write an else statement. So else speak equals speak plus city not found. Now let's test our program. Assistant, what is the weather in London?
The temperature in Celsius is 12.6700000000000016. The humidity is 71 and the weather description is scattered clouds.
And there you go.
So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this voice assistant series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.